What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here with me, Dave. It's a very exciting day today. The new deck I ordered should be coming today. It's coming right here to me at work so that I can show you guys straight away. Right now I've got to get some work done for my day job, but hopefully by the time that I'm done this afternoon, that skateboard will be here. Getting a new deck is always just the best part. There really is nothing quite like a brand new fresh piece of skate wood. So I'm eagerly keeping an eye out for the delivery man while I get some of this work done. And it has arrived. Here it is. One skateboard. Let's take a little look, shall we? Got grip tape. So I've gone for something a little bit different. I've never tried an Arbor deck before, but I have been wanting to for a little while. They're actually quite hard to get hold of a lot of the time in the UK. They're not a very common brand of skateboard, and there's a little added bonus. I didn't realise this until after I had ordered the deck already. Our friend Nathan from episode 1, well, he actually vaguely knows the skateboarder whose pro model this is. She's a girl from Poland. She's actually gone to the Olympics this year, so that's really, really cool. And so as well as it being a really cool looking deck, and a really cool shaped deck, there's also the added bonus of supporting an up-and-coming European female skateboarder, which is, I'm down for that. So I'm not going to set this up right now because I've got some different grip tape at home, some patterned grip. I'm going to do a funky grip job. I'll show you that a bit later on. Right now, I'm going to see if I can do first try carpet board impossible with this still in the wrapper. Okay, I'm back home. I've got my new board. I've got some grip tape. Time to get creative. It's the next day, I've finished work and I finally get to go and test out this new skateboard. Well, it's officially the best skateboard ever. I just landed pretty much all of my tricks. First session on this board. I love the shape, I love the big square tail. It's great for certain tricks. I love the little round nose. Great for other tricks. I love the fact that it colour coordinates yellow with my yellow base plates. And this artwork is just absolutely beautiful. Plus I enjoy seeing this guy come back around again every time it flips. To sum it up, I'm super happy with that session. I can't wait for the next one. I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful day. Have fun out there, be kind to people. Just make sure you don't forget to occasionally skate.